Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to play the long ball control tactics in eFootball mobile to break defenses with quick attack so you can win any match that you play, and every match that you play will turn into victory in your side. From the main menu, you can simply start a new match or go to the training to learn it from there. To go to the training, you can simply go to the academy section and head over to the training option, and this is where you set your tactics and information from here, or simply through other option as well. Here is the command list as well. Tap on tactics and select long ball controller as a playing style. This style is all about defense to attack transition using long passes. Choose players with strong passing pace and positioning. Your defenders and midfielders should be able to send accurate long balls, while your strikers need speed to chase them down. During the matches, you can regain position, look for your forward making runs, use long passes or lofted through balls to launch quick counter attack, and that's how you can play long ball counters in eFootball mobile. Master this style and catch opponents off guard every time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with your favorite playing style. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.